Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 8th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across banking and financials, IT and technology, metals and mining, FMCG, energy and power, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in banking and financials. Bajaj Finance plunged -5.84% to 1,078 Indian rupees in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Bajaj Finance's 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and ORM growth, REDIF. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Moving to IT and technology. TCS made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.36% to 2,452.70 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that India's TCS falls as rare annual revenue drop dulls quarterly earnings beat, deal wins. The 26 to 28% EBIT margin band has been consistently delivered. The market wants to see whether AI-driven productivity allows margin expansion beyond the upper end of that range. Attrition stabilization is a positive signal on demand confidence. AI services deal conversions are the emerging growth driver. Moving to metals and mining. Tata Steel dipped -0.92% to 187.55 Indian rupees. This comes as China's property slump is quietly draining base metals demand, adding pressure to energy markets. With Tata Steel moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 192.24 Indian rupees level above and 182.86 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Moving to FMCG. Hindustan Unilever is trading higher by plus 0.79%. At 2,096 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. Hindustan Unilever is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the 2,137.92 Indian rupees resistance and 2,054.08 Indian rupees support as the boundaries of the current range. Moving to energy and power. NTPC dipped -0.72% to 342.50 Indian rupees. Traders are reacting to news that current price of oil as of fortune. With NTPC moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The 351.06 Indian rupees level above and 333.94 Indian rupees below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.20, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.